Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 8, comparing quantities for class 7. Students, comparison of quantities. Again, this is not a new topic for you. In your 6th standard, you have studied one chapter, ratio and proportion. Remember, ratio and proportion is again used for comparison between quantities. In your 7th standard, the following ways we will be using for comparison of quantities. Let us see: ratio and proportion, percentage, profit and loss, and simple interest. Using these ways, we will be comparing the quantities. Okay, one by one we will be clearing each and every topic. So our first topic is ratio. Let us see. See students, this is the symbol for ratio and it is read as is to or TO2. Okay, this is the symbol for ratio. 5 kilometer is to 10 kilometer. See students, we are going to compare ratio and the quantities here are 5 kilometer and 10 kilometer. Now it will be read as 5 kilometer is to 10 kilometer. Then students, ratio is written as fraction like this, 5 kilometer upon 10 kilometer. So ratio we have to write it as fraction and then you can cross cancel it. Okay students, so 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So I got 1 upon 2, or it can be written as 1 kilometer is to 2 kilometer. This is ratio students. Okay, now for ratio you have to remember two things, most important things. You can easily find ratio between any quantities, but students, for those quantities they should be of same kind and the units for both the quantities should be same. So always remember, for ratio the quantities should be of same kind and second, they should have same unit. You can't compare road to liters. I mean, suppose if I ask you to compare 300 kilometers to 500 liters. See students, are the quantities same? Are they of same kind? No, it is length and it is capacity, isn't it? Kilometers and liters. So there is no comparison between these two. If you want to compare the quantities, then always remember that they should be of same kind. If you are comparing length, then the second quantity also should be a length. If your first quantity is of weight, then second quantity again should be weight, and both of them should have same unit. Let us see how. Suppose here it is given like this. You have to compare 300 kilometers to 500 meters. Students, the kind is same, isn't it? We have to compare length. So ratio, first necessity is there that the quantity which you are comparing should be same. So here it is same length only we are comparing, but the units are different. Here kilometer, here meter. So your next step should be to convert the greater unit into smaller unit. So students, 1 kilometer is equals to how many meters? 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters, isn't it? So we will convert 300 kilometers into meters. So always remember, whenever you convert bigger unit into smaller, you have to multiply, isn't it? So 300 into 1000 will get okay. We will get 3 lakh kilometers. Clear students? Now we can simply compare 3 lakh upon 500. Both are in meters. Sorry, here it will be meters. We have converted it into meters. Okay, now see, 0, 0 cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. I got 600 here. So 600 meters is to 1 meters. Understood students? Like this we compare quantities using ratio. So this symbol is used for ratio, for comparison of quantities using ratio. The quantity should be of same kind and same unit. If the units are different, then it is your work to convert the bigger unit into smaller unit, and then you can easily compare between quantities. So students, after this, now we can solve exercise 8.1. So take out your textbooks and see question number 1 from exercise 8.1. So students, question number 1 is find the ratio of, and the quantities are rupees 5 to 50 paise. So students, here we are using ratio, isn't it? For ratio, what I told you, you have to keep two things in mind before solving the question related to ratio. You have to see whether the given quantities are of same kind and are of same unit. See, here are the given quantities of same kind, rupees and paise. Of course, they are of same kind. We are talking here about money, okay? Now, let us check the units. Here it is rupees and here it is paise. So students, the units are different. Our first step is to convert the units into same. So we will convert bigger unit into smaller. How? See students, 1 rupee is equals to how many paise? 100 paise, isn't it? In the same manner, rupee 5 will be multiplied with 100 paise to convert it into paise. So rupee 5 into 100 paise will give us 500 paise. Clear? Okay, rupee 500 paise. Clear now? Now let us write like this, 500 paise. So in place of rupee 5, now I am writing it as paise. 500 paise is to 50 paise. Clear students? Now write it in the form of fraction. 500 paise upon 50 paise. Now you can cancel it. 0, 0 cancelled. Then 5 tens are 50, 5 ones are 5. So students, we got 10 paise is to 1 paise. Ratio is used to show or to find the number of times the first quantity is of the second quantity or the second quantity is for the first quantity. So students, here our final answer is 10 paise is to 1 paise. Let us see point number B students. 15 kg to 210 grams. Now again check the kind and unit. Are they same? Kilogram, gram. Yes, here we are talking about weight. We are going to compare two weights, but the units are different. You are asked to compare kilograms to grams. So what you have to do? You will be converting the greater unit, which is given as kg, into smaller unit, that means into gram. So students, we know that 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams, isn't it? So 15 kg on converting into grams will give us 15 into 1000 grams will get 15,000 grams. Now see, both are having the same units now. 15,000 grams is to 210 grams. Okay students, now their units are same. Now let us write in the form of fraction. 15,000 upon 210 grams. Cross cancel it. 0, 0 cancelled. Then with 3 we can cancel them. 3 5s are 15 and 2 zeros. Then 3 7s are 21. So students, we got 500 gram is to 7 gram. They can't be cancelled further. So here only we will stop and we will get 500 grams is to 7 grams. Note it down, then we will see point number C. So students, point number C, 9 meter to 27 centimeter. Again, the bigger unit is meter here. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, isn't it? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So students, 9 meter into 100 centimeter will get 900 centimeters. Now both the units are same. 900 centimeter is to 27 centimeter. Write it as fraction. 100 upon 27 will cancel it with 3, or you can cancel it with 9. 9 ones are 9 and 2 zeros. Then 9 threes are 27. And now for 103 there is no common factor except 1. That means now they are now the given fraction is in standard form. So that means simply here you will write 100 centimeter is to 100 centimeter is to 3 centimeter. Got it, students? Like this, here we have done the comparison. Okay, point number D, 30 days to 36 hours. Here you are going to compare days and hours. Again, change the greater unit into smaller unit. So here greater unit is days. You have to convert days into hours. Then only you can compare. So students, we know that in one day, how many hours are there? 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Okay, that's why 30 days multiplied by 24 hours will get 0 hours. Then 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. Okay students, so in 30 days there are 720 hours. Now you can compare 720 hours is to 36 hours. Let us write them as fraction. 720 hours upon 36 hours. For hours I have written as short as HRS. Okay. Now, so 36 2s are 72 students. Okay, I am directly cancelling it with 36. So 36 2s are 72 and this 0 will come. Then 36 1s are 36. So my final ratio is 20 hours is to 1 hour. Like this we find ratio for the given quantity, students. I hope the ratio topic is very clear to you. Now let us see question number 2, which is a step problem. Okay, note it down. So students, question number 2 in your textbook. In a computer lab, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed for 24 students? Underline, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. This line, students. See, what is given in the question? Every 6 students use how many computers? They are using 3 computers. See the first step. 3 computers for every 6 students. Okay, fine students. Then you have to find here how many computers will be used by 24 students. Means you have to find the number of computers that 24 students are going to use. Students, here we will solve this question by using unitary method. Okay. Unitary method means first find for one quantity and then you can find for any given number of quantities. Means first find for one unit. So students, here second step is number of computers for one student. First I will find out how many computers are used by one student. How to find out, students? Total number of computers used are 3. Total number of students using 3 computers is given as 6. Okay, 3 by 6. If you want, you can cancel and you can write it as 1 by 2 or let it be like this only. Okay, so students, number of computer for one student is 3 by 6. Now, therefore, number of computers required for 24 students. How to write? If one student is using 3 by 6 computers, then 24 students, for 24 students you are going to multiply. Okay, so computer used by one student into 24 students. Let us see how to multiply. So here students, 6 1s are 6, then 6 4s are 24. What is left? 3 into 4. So 3 4s are 12. Okay students, so for every 24 students we will require 12 computers. Got it, students? Okay, so you can note it down and then we'll see question number 3. So students, question number 3, population of Rajasthan is equals to 570 lakhs and population of UP is equals to 1660 lakhs. Okay, then area of Rajasthan is given 3 lakh kilometer square and area of UP is given 2 lakh kilometer square. Fine. So for both the states we are given with their population and areas. First point, how many people are there per kilometer square in both of these states. So you have to find out, students, in every kilometer square, okay, in per kilometer square, how many number of people live in the given states. Let us see how to, and yes, second point, which state is less populated. Students, population is given to you. Population of Rajasthan is 570 lakh and population of UP is 1660 lakh. So which state is less populated? No calculation required for this, na? Here as you can see, the population of Rajasthan is less. So answer will be for second point. The state which is less populated is Rajasthan. Okay, let us solve the first point for the given question, students. Here I have already written the steps. Population of Rajasthan. So population of Rajasthan is given 570 lakhs. Let us write 570 lakhs. Okay. Then area of Rajasthan is given 3 lakh kilometer square. Okay, 3 lakh kilometer square. Now number of people per kilometer square. 1 kilometer square में कितने लोग रहते हैं? How to find, students? Total number of people is 570 lakh divided by area, which is 3 lakh. Now students, lakh cancelled. Okay, 570 upon 3, I can cancel it with 3 only. 3 ones are 3, 2 left, 2 7 27. So 3 nines are 27 0. So 570 and 3 again cancelled. I got 190, which shows that per kilometer square 190 people live in Rajasthan. How easy it is. Okay, same thing we'll do for UP also. Population of UP is given 1660 lakh. Okay, students. Then area of UP is given 2 lakh kilometer square. Okay, then again number of people per kilometer square. So I'll write total number of people and I'll divide it with total area of UP, which is 2 lakh. Okay, students. Again lakh cancelled. 1660 upon 2. Simply divide. 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6 and a 0. So students, in UP per kilometer square 830 people live per kilometer square in UP. So answer is 830 people. Clear, students? Second point we have already discussed. Which state is less populated? Rajasthan is less populated. You can write the complete sentence. I have just written the name of the state. You can write the complete sentence that Rajasthan is the less populated state. So students, with this we have completed exercise 8.1. Your homework is to practice each question 2 times here and also learn the units of comparison. Okay, then in the next video we are going to start exercise 8.2. That's all for today, students. Thank you.